Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you beautiful flowers ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, one of the best things about giant flowers is that they do not face like real flower. They stay beautiful for years and can decorate your home in every season. You can make them in white, red, pink, yellow, orange, purple or blue. Every color creates a different mood and style. And viewers, and dear friends, these flowers are perfect for beginners because they do not require expensive tools. A little yarn, scissors, glue, and a decorative beads. Decorative something beautiful even if you have never tried crafting before. This project is simple and enjoyable. The white flower give a fresh and elegant feel. Its symbols of peace, simpleness, and purity. Its look wonderful in modern homes decoration to wedding craft. And viewers, and dear friends, and dear viewers, the orange flowers in nature look like a beautiful sunrise and add brightness to any room. You can choose this handmade flowers with many creative. Attach them to hair clip for beautiful accessories. Decorate greeting card with them. Glue them into your gift box to create handmade work. Add them to handbags, cushion, head, scarf, or personal touch. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for